Hello guys, this is your host Akshita from DHC New Homes, and as you can see today we are here at Rohan Lifescapes Prithvi. It is basically, if I talk about the location, it is located in Ghatkopar West. Guys, if I talk about the structure of the tower, this is your A and B wing OC, A, B and C wing OC received tower. If I talk about basically the area, this is in whole 3.5 acres of land parcel. That is the major USP of this project, guys. This is centrally located project in the heart of Ghatkopar. LBS mark near help you explain the structure of the tower. This is their A and B wing, A, B and C wing OC received tower. And as I was talking about the location, this is in their Ghatkopar West. The whole area consists in 2.5 acres of land parcel. Centrally located project in the heart of Ghatkopar. LBS mark near your MTNL telephone exchange. Guys, if I talk about the connectivity and the location advantages for this particular project, this project is surrounded by great infrastructure. You have all the connectivity like hospitals, shops, banks, restaurants, schools, colleges, everything located just at 5 to 10 minutes of distance from this particular location. You have a very peaceful and calm surrounding for this location. As soon as I entered the space, it's very peaceful and very calm surrounding. The state of the art and open area amenities, let me explain you that. You have your stilt garden, you've got your children's play area, banquet hall, you've got your gymnasium, shopping, your jogging track, and all level of basic amenities they are providing you. About the work progress for this particular project, your A, B and D wing is basically the RTMI OC received. If I talk about the C wing, it is under construction and the position for that one is in December 24. The major USP for this project is that you are getting this in whole 2.5 acre of land parcel, great connectivity. You also have a Jain Dera sir, which is at very much close distance to this particular location. So as said, guys, this is your connectivity wise, location wise, this is the best flat that you are getting. Let us just go forward and explore the 3 BHK sample flat of 1247 carpet area. Guys, let me help you explore their spacious 3 BHK 1247 carpet. As you can see, I'm standing right here in their living space. You can see as soon as you enter from here, this right here is going to be your main entrance. And then you have this humongous amount of living room space where you can definitely adjust your sitting space. Comes your center table and you can use this as your TV unit, as well as you can use this space as your dining area too. Come and let me show you the kitchen space, guys. On my left, as you can see, you have your L size kitchen platform. And then let me take you to the master bedroom, guys. This right here is your master bedroom. Just have a look. With a very, you can definitely check down the amenities from your window itself. You have your kids play area, which is very much visible from your master bedroom. Since this one is your master bedroom, it has a connecting attached washroom along with it. And then this right here is going to be your common washroom, guys. This is your common washroom. And these two again are your master bedrooms. Just have a look at this attached washroom, which is very spacious again. Have a look, please. So you can definitely customize this place. This could be your wardrobe area, and if in case you want, you can definitely put make a balcony space outside your living area or maybe your dining space. And then this right here is your master bedroom number 3. So guys, this is again attached with an washroom. Since it's your master bedroom, you have a washroom attached. So basically, currently this space is occupied as an office space. There is this office setup located here. Currently this space is occupied as an office setup. But then if in case you want it as per your residential, you can definitely customize it as per your basic. Time of the, when you will get this apartment, this will whole be a bare shell apartment. So that means you have to, your flooring and everything will be in, that will be your look. So basically this all will be a bare shell apartment.